Hello, this is Ricky, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I am here to give thanks, and I've been thankful for something that I was fortunate enough to do 6 months ago. They got me thousands of dollars. And now that I've shared it with my friends and family, I also wanted to share it with you guys today. And this is not only a great way to just get money by spending what you normally spend, but it's also the easiest way I feel to enter the crypto market that a lot of people are scared of or don't understand. So let's get started on the crypto.com debit card. Alright, so how this all works. There's going to be a link in the description down below to set up your account, and you even get $25 worth of the coins that we'll talk about and set up, and then just sign up for the debit card that fits you best. For myself, I signed up for the Ruby debit card, which allowed me to basically get 2% back on every purchase I make. And while 2% might not sound like a lot if you're just, like, oh, well, what is that going to add up to? A lot. It adds up to a lot over time because all the purchases you make, think about that. Every purchase you make, groceries, food, all of this stuff, if you're not getting anything by purchasing those, or if you're paying interest on a credit card, then this is better. So it is a debit card, which means you have to pay what you have in there. You're not going to have any extra money. But that also means that it's a really great entry level too. If you don't have credit or if you have bad credit, it's a debit card. So you pretty much get accepted pretty much no matter what. So it sounds pretty simple, right? How this works is basically every time you spend money, you get this coin back, a crypto coin. And how crypto coins are just basically kind of like stocks. They go up in value, they go down in value. And that's just what it is. It's very simple. But of course, when it goes up in value, that means your rewards are worth more. When it goes down in value, your rewards are worth less. But that in lies the key, because as long as you are getting money that you weren't going to get anyway, no matter what, you're getting free money. And this added up for me to over $5,000 in 6 months. So it is very valuable, and it's gone down today as the graph I'm showing you shows. But again, it goes up and down all the time. And the reason why this is so big is because Crypto.com just bought out the Staples Center for advertising rights. So what that means is it is now going to be called Crypto.com Arena. So in terms of a brand, in terms of trust, in terms of something that's going to grow over the next few years, this is a pretty good bet because all the top events are going to be happening at this arena. So yeah, it's going to be really big. The Lakers play there, Clippers, all these kind of teams play there, and concerts, all these things really always happen there. So because it's in the heart of downtown LA, I'm pretty sure the company will be just fine. Now, the other thing I want to say about this is there any catch? What do I have to do to make sure that I get this money back? Well, you do have to do something called staking. So that is the entry to be able to get this debit card. And that is, staking means you have to put money down and it holds it for a certain amount of months, either 4 to 6 months, depending on which plan or card you get. And then it's yours. You can take it back. You can take it back as much as you want. And to give you an idea about how that's not the worst thing ever, the $400 I had to stake in the beginning of this is worth over $2,000 now. So it goes up in value if the coin goes up in value, and the coin has gone up really well over 6 months. So again, note that yeah, it might seem like, oh my God, I'm gonna have to stake $400. It turned into $2,000 for me. So all of this is going to be something that I would recommend, and I'm recommending it to you because it really does work. So you do have to stake money, and that is the entry point. So you don't have to have necessarily good credit. You don't have to have all these know-how about cryptocurrency. All you have to do is basically have this debit card, put money in it, and spend your regular money. After 4 to 6 months, whichever it is, you get to take the original 400 out if you want. or you can just keep letting it ride like I am right now and basically can get more and more money as time goes on. Now, the really important thing is that you can actually grow with this card. So again, I made enough money just by doing my regular purchases. Of course, I do have electronic purchases, so that does add up as well with buying new phones and all of these things. But it really was amazing to get all of this money back with, again, just because I kept using this card. So now I wanted to explain, for those of you who don't know how to use a debit card or anything like that, just a quick summary of it. And that is, the debit card can be used anywhere you go, basically. Anywhere that accepts Visa will accept this. And the really nice part is for those who actually, have a bank, you basically just do a wire transfer from your existing bank to this debit card. Make sure you put in the unique code when doing a wire transfer. I didn't do it one time. Luckily, their customer service found the money, finished the transfer, but you always need to do the unique code they give you so they know which account this is going to. Very important. And then once you set it up, it is really easily just to do it, once a month, once every 2 months, and do a wire transfer from your bank to this debit card. And then you always have whatever money you have in there. That's it. So again, it's not a credit card. It's very easy to manage your money this way. It's nothing extra. It's something, oh my God, I'm going to lose all my money. It's very simple and easy to do. Now, doing a wire transfer, I will say, depending on your bank, mine charges $30. So I try to kind of transfer over up to $3,000 at a time, just so I'm kind of like, okay, this is going to be my money for a month, for 2 months, or whatever it would be of spending on groceries, on everything that I normally do. Simple and easy. So that is the secret. That is it. And if you do this in 6 months' time from now, when we're talking about June 2022, I guarantee you will have this really nice nest egg just from spending what you normally spend. So that is just my thing that I was very thankful for, that I discovered 6 months ago, and I just wanted to share with you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I am not a financial advisor, I'm not anything like that, but I just wanted to share my experience, what I did, and what I'm now recommending for all my friends and family to do. Alright guys, hopefully you did like this video. If you did, please give a like, thumbs up down below. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.